Hey there, welcome to Tech2. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can block someone in Bigo Live. So now there is no way to actually report someone through your website version or the PC standalone version of Bigo. So what you need to do is get your phone and go on it on Bigo Live app. Once you're there, uh, let's say you're doing it live and you want somebody reporting, right? So you just go to their profile, and then on the top right corner of your phone, there should be a three dots icon. Just click on it, a pop down or something, a new window pops up. Then you're gonna click on report. So what that does is, reports them to the Bigo Live community, or you say the devs, and they'll look onto it, and you can actually state your reasons to report, right? And that's it. That's how you report someone in Bigo Live. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.